Hi guys, my name is Eugenia Kim. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm really happy to share with you these beautiful, cute little worms. I'm recording this tutorial special for Mia and Manuel, so you can join us and make them in 5 minutes. Sometimes you may see videos where they just tell you you finish in 5 minutes and it takes 1 hour. At least this one takes 5 minutes. But if you are a beginner, you can take it longer, but this is the best pattern for beginners. They are so cute, so fast to make, so you will learn 2 basic stitches like single crochet and double crochet. Also, you will learn to chain and slip stitch. So if you are just a beginner, you can really start with this project. And for this we need just a crochet hook, yarn, any crochet hook and the matching yarn. I'm using 3.5 millimeters and just the polyester acrylic yarn. You need some eyes. You may use safety eyes, any type of eyes, sticky eyes. So whatever you have, you can use different colors. And let's start. So of course, first of all, for this tutorial, you can use any bright color. Bright colors will work best, but you can try any yarn you have, as it can be your first crochet project. So let's start with the slip knot. Grab the yarn and round around the finger. You create the loop. Then you can even use your finger to pull this yarn out and you have a slip knot. That's one of the methods. Very simple. And then we are going to chain. You can actually chain any number. Depends how long you want the worm. But I recommend at least 25 and more. So 1, 2, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. Be attentive to keep the same tension. And so we continue. So with your index finger, yarn over and pull through the yarn on the loop. So now I can count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will chain 12 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think that's enough for this tutorial. You can make it longer. So now we are going to chain 2 more. 1 and 2. And now insert your hook into the 1, 2 into the 3rd chain and make single crochet. So I show you again slower. Here 1, 2, you skip, insert into the 3rd one, grab the yarn, pull, you have 2 loops and make 1 single crochet. Then insert into the same stitch and make another single crochet and make 1 more. So you have 4 single crochet. And now we are moving to the next chain. So this is our next chain. And we are putting there another 4 single crochet. So pull the yarn, 1, insert, grab, 2, 3, everything in the same hole, 4. So we are making the spiral. That's why we have to put 4. So it started to curl already. And we are moving to the next chain, to the new chain, and we are making 4 single crochet. 1, start into the same hole, 2, 3, 4. After you finish 4, you move to the next chain and make another 4. 1, 2, 3. And like that, you have to continue until you finish all the chains. Here you see your chains, so insert into your hook into each chain, and you have to make 4 single crochet into each chain. So I show you one more time. Insert your hook inside the hole, grab the yarn, you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 2 loops, insert into the same hole, and to grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, insert through 2 loops, pull through 2, and you keep making this spiral until you have just 1 chain left, and I show you how to make the head into this last chain. So look how cute is this spiral. That will be the body of the worm. And we are going to the last stitch, yarn over. This is a new stitch called double crochet. We are going to yarn over, insert into the last stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. You have 3 loops. Next, second time, yarn over, pull through 2. And the second time, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have double crochet. And now you are going to make one more time, yarn over, insert into the last stitch, grab, you have 3 loops, now pull through 2 first time and second time. So you have 2. We are going to make 12 inside the same stitch to make a circle. So repeat until you have 12 into the same last stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even 10. I think 10 is enough because it already looks like a head. So let's stick with 10. But if you feel that you need to put some more, you can make even more. But I think 10 is okay. Then we're going to slip stitch into the same chain. So into the same, you don't yarn over, you just go inside the circle, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. That's it. Then we're gonna chain. So right now, to finish the project, just yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook and just pull a bit the yarn. So later we hide it. Just cut it. So we have 2 here. What we need is to bring this tail inside. So we can make a knot here. It cannot undo. Make 2 knots. Yeah, and then with the needle we can hide this end. So take a tapestry needle and then hide it between these stitches, so we cannot see these tails. So just pull. You can also try to hide this hole if you want to, or just keep it. And now our worm is ready. The body, the head, we have just the funny part to put the eyes to make it look alive. So you can buy them in $1 store. They're really cheap and there are plenty. So you can make all the worms you want, all the shapes, and decide by yourself where you want to stick them. Yeah, that's how cute he is. Well, that's a beautiful toy, and it's a nice project for beginners. So you learn 2 stitches, including chain and slip knot. That's very good for the beginner. And continue to practice, and I'm sure you will learn faster in a funny way. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this pattern and your worms are so cute, and you can make them as your toys or keychains or anything else you want to use them for. They're really cute and simple to make, and I hope you can smash now the like button, since it's not hard for you, but it can be helpful for my channel, so more people learn to crochet and we spread this beautiful hobby craft around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.